The appearance of Flight MH370. The flight on March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370 took off from Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Malaysia, bound for Beijing Capital International Airport, China. The Boeing 777-200ER carried 239 people, including 270 passengers and 12 crew members. The last contact. Shortly earlier, takeoff at 1:90 a.m. local time. The plane's last communication was recorded. The aircraft was tracked by radar as it left Malaysian airspace and entered Vietnam's airspace. The final communication from cockpit was a routine exchange. Good night, Malaysian 370. At 1:21 a.m., the plane's transponders stopped sending signals, and radar contact was lost shortly thereafter. The search begins. Initially, search efforts focused on the South China Sea, where the plane was last detected. However, it soon became clear that the plane had deviated significantly from its planned route. An international search effort, one of the largest and most complex in history, was launched, involving numerous countries and covering vast areas of the Indian Ocean. The involvement of satellites. Satellites played a crucial role in the investigation. Data from Inmarsat, a satellite communication company, indicated that the plane continued to fly for several hours after losing contact. Analysis of this data suggested that MH370 took a southwestern path across the Indian Ocean before its final disappearance. Theories and speculation. Several theories emerged about what might have happened to MH370, including pilot involvement. Some speculated that the plane's disappearance was due to deliberate action by the pilot or crew. Methem- Mechanical failure. Another theory was that a mechanical failure or malfunctions lead to the plane's deviation from its flight path, hijacking, or terrorism. There was also speculation about possible hijacking or terrorist attacks, although no conclusive evidence supported these theories. Debris findings. In July 2015, a flaperon, a part of the wing, was found on Reunion Island in the Indian Ocean, confirming that debris from MH370 had reached the shores of the western Indian Ocean. Several other pieces of debris were later found on islands and shores in the Indian Ocean, but they did not provide conclusive answers about the plane's final location or cause of the crash. The ongoing search. The search for MH370 continued for years, focusing on the most likely crash zones identified by satellite data. Despite extensive efforts and the deployment of underwater search vehicles, the main wreckage and the majority of the passengers remains have never been found. Conclusion and legacy. The official investigation led by the Australian Transport Safety Bureau concluded that the plane's final location is somewhere along an ARC in the southern Indian Ocean, but the exact location remains unknown. The disappearance of MH370 remains one of the greatest aviation mysteries of the 21st century, leading to numerous documentaries, books, and ongoing discussion about aviation safety and search procedures. The story of Flight MH370 is not only a tale of technical and investigative complexity, but also a deeply emotional account for the families of the passengers and crew who continued to seek answers and closure.